Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of my new toy I just got today. Start my new job on the 14th, and I needed to pick up a new toolbox, so here it is. It's the Cobalt. Dang, I can't remember the model number. I'll put the model number in the description. I'll just give you a real quick toolbox tour, nothing real in-depth, that'll come later on. It's a 41 inch by 41 by 18 deep. I wish it was 22 deep, but hey, it is what it is. Alright, so first drawer here, my socket drawer, and got a couple screwdrivers and stuff over here with my couple ratchets. Second drawer here, got some SAE and metric ratcheting wrenches, inspection mirror, utility knife, a breaker bar, and some spot welding bits, cutting bits. And in here I got all my trim removal tools for doing trim removal, and my Pittsburgh Pro, actually they're not Pittsburgh Pro, they're just Pittsburgh picks. Here I got my plier drawer with my rack I made today. I just made this rack today, so that's pretty cool. It's just out of an old CD rack. So I got here's my vampires, my cut anything vampire scissors, the super combo. If that'll focus. Not gonna focus. That's alright. We'll do a review of this stuff later anyway. My hammer drawer, my body hammers, and my dollies, a 16-ounce ball peen, a 4-pound sledge, and a 3-pound cross peen. I believe this drawer's, yeah, it's kind of my power drawer, if you will. This drawer is empty. It's got a torque wrench in it. Woohoo! This drawer is going to be my personal drawer and stuff like that, so just got a notebook in there and going to put some other stuff in there. This drawer is going to be, a little bit of pneumatic stuff. Nothing major. A couple of sanding blocks are made out of like pool noodles. They're good for getting into tight areas and weird shapes. Here I got my heat gun with all of its attachments. And this is going to be my drawer for all my welding stuff. My welding helmet, my welding jacket, gloves, stuff like that. So that's about it for this one right now. Just wanted to show you guys real quick, and I'll give you the model number of this toolbox right now. It is model number, can you see that? Focus. Model number is 41RCWBSS. Item number 0875250. I'll just give you a little walk around. Just You know, a little cheap Harbor Freight magnet light, a little 4-inch tray, and a 6-inch Craftsman. I think it's like a 4x6 or something like that. I can't remember the size of it. And then over here you got a little power surge protector. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to show you my new toy real quick. Have a great day. Thank you.